Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Today, this sister came to pay thanks to me that her nephew in Saudi Arabia has got a very serious hepatitis B, which has apparently either very little treatment or no treatment at all. Although treatment is done, but many people die every year, and if I say hundreds and thousands of people die every year, that will not be wrong, because it is a serious challenge, and Alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah, I have found a very simple treatment which is absolutely free or very, very cheap and very, very easy and no side effects, because it is a naturopathy and it's like a food. I told her to send my message that he should find this Sharbat-e-Buzuri, which is made in Pakistan and available even in the UK, Europe, America, Australia, everywhere in Pakistani superstores. And rose water, everyone is very familiar. So I said that in half liter water, put 2 tablespoons of Buzuri and 1 tablespoon of rose water, and give him for about 8 times in a day for about 3 days. So Alhamdulillah, after 3 days, when they check, they get a test, the test was very, very good, because the number of virus was reduced from 1200 to 32, and now they have declared out of danger. So this sister has got treatment from me as well, and she got big benefit. And Alhamdulillah, her husband is a medical doctor in NHS. And today when she came to pay thanks, she was with tears. Why? Because the nephew was going to get married, and the whole family was scared that he may not die. So sister, will you say something?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm really here to thank Dr. Nazir. Jazakallah khair. He gave me like simple medicine. It's just like diet treatment, which I believe that alhamdulillah, my nephew got cured by his medicine. It was only Buzuri, which is not available in Saudi Arabia. He used sugarcane instead, depending on advice of Dr. Nazir. Alhamdulillah, now the virus load just dropped from 100 to 32. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, sorry, sister corrected me that she told me that Buzuri is not available, although is available, but they could not find. So I said that instead of Buzuri, in sugar cane, in the same half liter sugar cane, put 1 tablespoon of rose water and give him 8 times in a day for 3 days. So if Buzuri is not available, sugar can be used as well. And also now I told her for ongoing, because it is a food, it is like a normal drink, not medicine. And also I said that onward, he should use fresh camel milk once a month or twice a month. And inshallah, in future he will not get any trouble as well. Jazakallah khair. Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. अभी ये सिस्टर आई हैं मेरे पास शुक्रिया अदा करने के लिए. इनके हस्बैंड यहाँ NHS में डॉक्टर हैं, यानी यहाँ UK में, और इनका एक बहन का बेटा बहुत शदीद बीमार था, उसको हेपेटाइटिस बी था. तो हेपेटाइटिस बी बहुत सीरियस है, ये जिगर को तबाह कर देता है और दुनिया में लाखों लोग हर साल मर जाते हैं. तो ये मेरे पास आई क्योंकि इन्होंने खुद भी मुझसे इलाज कराया हुआ और उनको बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ था. इनको भी हेपेटाइटिस बी था. तो इन्होंने मुझे कहा कि अब मेरे नेफ्यू का इलाज कैसे हो सकता है सऊदी अरब में. तो मैंने कहा कि शरबत बजूरी और अर्क गुलाब, 2 चम्मच शरबत बजूरी और 1 चम्मच अर्क गुलाब मिला के हाफ लीटर आधे लीटर पानी के अंदर दिन में 8 दफ़ा पिलाएं 3 दिन तक. तो इन्होंने कहा शरबत बजूरी मिल नहीं रहा. तो मैंने कहा कि उतना फिर आधा लीटर ये जो गन्ने का रस है उसमें ये जो गुलाब का अर्क है 1 चम्मच मिला के दिन में 8 दफ़ा पिलाएं 3 दिन तक. ऐसा किया तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी रिपोर्टें आई हैं कि वो बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया. अल्लाह के फजल से आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं है. तो मैंने इन्हें कहा कि आप उसको कहें कि महीने में 1 दफ़ा या महीने में 2 दफ़ा ऊँट का दूध भी पिए, क्योंकि ऊँट के दूध से जुलाब लगते हैं तो सारा निज़ाम साफ हो जाता है. لیکن اس کو مہینے میں 2 سے زیادہ دفعہ استعمال نہیں کرنا چاہیے کیونکہ پھر نظام ہضم کے کمزور ہونے کا خطرہ ہوتا ہے. جزاک اللہ خیر. السلام علیکم.